Hello and welcome to our channel. The UK currently faces a significant shortage of skilled workers across various sectors, prompting the government to welcome foreign professionals to help bridge the gaps. As of September 2024, there is a rising demand for expertise in industries like healthcare, technology, construction, and artificial intelligence. This shift is not only a response to domestic shortages but also a strategic move to enhance the UK workforce by tapping into international talent. With the government streamlining its work visa programs, skilled foreign workers now have ample opportunities to fill crucial roles in the UK. In today's video, we'll explore the top 9 in-demand skills that are particularly sought after by employers, along with guidance on how to apply for these jobs. Before we dive into the details, ensure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Now pay close attention. Here are the top 9 in-demand skills in the UK. Remember to stick to the end because the last 2 will shock you. 1. STEM professionals, which stands for science, technology, engineering, mathematics. The UK's ongoing investment in research and innovation has created a substantial shortage of professionals in fields such as engineering, data science, and IT. Roles in STEM are not only highly respected but also come with lucrative salary packages. To apply for these positions, candidates can search job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, or specialized STEM recruitment sites. Networking through industry events can also be beneficial. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning specialists. As AI technology continues to evolve, the demand for experts in machine learning and data analytics is skyrocketing. These specialists are essential for helping businesses innovate. To find opportunities, candidates should look at tech-specific job portals, engage with AI communities online, and consider reaching out to companies directly to inquire about openings. 3. Healthcare professionals. The aging population in the UK has resulted in an urgent demand for doctors, nurses, and medical technicians. The NHS and private healthcare providers are actively recruiting international healthcare professionals. To apply, candidates should visit the NHS Careers website, where numerous job listings are available. Additionally, organisations like Health Education England can provide valuable resources for overseas applicants. 4. Construction and skilled trades. The booming construction sector has created a significant demand for skilled tradespeople, including electricians, plumbers, and builders. To apply, individuals can register on construction job sites like Construction Jobs or Total Jobs. Many employers also attend job fairs specifically targeting skilled trades. 5. Software engineers. As the tech industry in the UK continues to expand, software engineers are in high demand. Major employers seek international talent to fill these roles. To find jobs, candidates should utilize platforms like GitHub Jobs, Stack Overflow, and tech-centric recruitment agencies. Building a strong online portfolio can also attract potential employers. 6. Data scientists. The demand for data scientists is surging as businesses rely on data-driven decision-making. To apply for these positions, candidates should focus on job boards that cater to analytics roles, such as Data Jobs and Kaggle. Additionally, networking with professionals in the field can open doors to hidden job opportunities. 7. Nurses. Nursing roles are critical in the UK healthcare system. There is strong encouragement for foreign-trained nurses to apply for positions within the NHS. To apply, candidates should ensure they meet the required qualifications and register on the NHS Careers website. They may also need to pass the Objective Structured Clinical Examination (OCT) to practice in the UK. 8. Electricians. The construction and infrastructure sectors face a shortage of electricians, prompting companies to recruit skilled workers from abroad. To find job opportunities, candidates can explore dedicated electrical job boards and join trade associations that offer job placement services. 9. Pharmacists. With a notable shortage of pharmacists across the UK, opportunities abound in both retail and healthcare settings. To apply, candidates should check the General Pharmaceutical Council (GPHC) for registration requirements and visit job boards like Pharmacy Job Finder to explore available positions. With the UK government actively seeking skilled foreign workers to fill these 9 in-demand roles, now is an opportune time for international professionals to consider opportunities in the UK. The streamlined visa processes and the growing acceptance of foreign talent indicate a promising future for those looking to build their careers in the UK. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on job opportunities and immigration news in the UK. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next videos.